Hi everyone, happy holidays! Today we're going to make a glittery snow globe, and this activity is going to help your kids learn about sequencing while getting in the holiday spirit. Plus, you can use your snow globe as a decoration for the holidays.
What does a reindeer make? First goes neigh.
Oh, I don't know. What do you think?
I think it makes like...
What do you think a rain? Yeah, maybe kind of like a horse sound? What noise does a jingle bell make?
Ding, 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 ding.
Let's go! The supplies you'll need for this activity are a mason jar, water, hot glue, craft foam, scissors, permanent markers, and glitter. All right, you guys, today we're gonna make a snow globe. Are you ready?
Yeah.
A snow globe isn't complete without some wintry decorations inside. So first we're gonna take some white foam and create some decorations for inside our snow globe. I'm gonna make a snow person, something like this. First, what we have to do is make our scene inside our snow globe. So we're gonna make a snow person. Okay, so we're gonna have to trace it and make a snow person like this, and then you can decorate it however you want. First, you'll take a Sharpie and trace it to make your snow person. All the way down. Okay, good. Connect it. Oh, perfect. Then you'll just simply cut it out. All right, do you want to try to cut it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me ever do it.
Like this. Open. Okay.
Okay.
And try to cut it out on the line. This step in the activity is great for working on fine motor skills. Fine motor skills is when your child has to coordinate their small muscles in their hands with their eyes in motion, or we call that hand and eye coordination. Like this. There you go. Now, I'm trying to help you. You gotta turn the paper. Good. Now our snow person needs some personality. You can decorate it with Sharpies. That works really well with the white foam. Okay, now decorate your snow person.
Decorate our snow.
Yeah, what color nose does he have?
Orange.
Okay, can't make him an orange nose. Is it a round nose or a triangle nose? Think about it.
A circle nose.
A circle? I'm gonna make mine like a carrot nose.
Look.
Yeah, that's a big nose.
Look.
What about a nose like this? Watch me. What about a nose like this?
I want to do that.
Okay, then you know what you can do? Just flip him over
Oh, yeah.
and then work on it that way. Does he need a scarf? You know, like kind of like around his neck to keep him warm? Here, color his nose in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay?
There we go.
Oh yeah, that's a great nose. You did it.
But I don't know how. Can I color mine in?
I'll let you color yours in for you. We just need to make one side a little longer and thicken it up a bit. See?
Does anybody want yellow? Oh.
We're making the arms out of a branch. You may end up with something like this. But if you don't want to make a snow person, you can make any wintry scene, whatever your heart desires.
Maybe it's done.
Oh, you think so? What do you think about mine? Do they look like brothers or sisters?
Yours looks great.
Oh, yours looks great too.
Na, na, na,
Your snowman dancing? Are you ready to put your arms on, Ren? Once you're done with your snow person, you're gonna wanna put it in your snow globe. So just simply take a mason jar like this and open it up. First, you're gonna glue your snow person to the lid. Y'all watch me when I'm doing Ren's and then you'll know, okay? You're gonna glue the bottom of your decoration or your snow person, whatever you made, like this. That's why it's a little thick. And you're gonna put it right down, like the bottom, like the lid is, the inside of the lid is the ground. Just a little bit of glue. You only need like a tiny line of glue. This step of the activity is a great way to teach your kids sequencing. Sequencing is a way to logically order events, ideas, or actions. Here, your kids have to follow a specific set of instructions to make sure their snow globe comes together properly. All right, so do you want it right in the middle, Mallory, or kind of to the side, or what? Side like this way, right there?
I think in the middle.
All right, what about your Christmas tree? Are you gonna put that in there?
I don't know.
I think you should, yeah.
Where?
You made it, so let's do it.
Like right there?
Right there, yeah, kind of in the background.
Okay, I'll put that on.
All right, place it where you want it. All right, now I'm gonna put the glue on it, and then you just hold the top of the tree without touching the bottom and place it where you want. I think your tree should go in the front so you can see it good.
That's a big snowman.
Oh, I like that.
If you tip it over,
Turn 'em around.
Oh yeah, you guys did a good job.
Oh, that's so great. Yeah, it's fun. Do you have a name for your snowman?
Olaf.
You think it's Olaf? Warm hugs. Your snowman likes warm hugs?
Yep.
So now that we've decorated our snow globes, now we're gonna make it snow.
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to show you how to do it? Once that's set and your decoration is ready, you're ready to let it snow. You'll take the jar like this and just fill it with water. Can you pour some water into your jar? I think everybody can do that, right? All right, we're gonna keep pouring the water. Reese, can you grab the other water until we're all full up? That way, because we want our snow globes to be full to the top. Once your jar is full, you'll need to get your glitter. Just simply sprinkle it in the top like this. All right, now we're gonna do glitter. Ooh, that's good. The other kind is smaller, kind of gold glitter. You can put a mixture of them. Yes, pour a little bit in there, not a whole bunch, just a little, because you want to still be able to see your design. Then you'll take your snow person that's on your lid and put it down into the jar. Okay.
What do I do to make the snowman not fall off?
You just put it in there like this, and then lid goes on. It's okay, you can do it one at a time like this. Put it down, wiggle it down.
My snowman's covered up.
Okay, screw it on tight. Screw it on tight. Got yours on tight. And McLean, did you screw yours on really tight? Okay, ready? Do you want to let it snow? All right, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
There's my snowman.
Shake it up. All right, there he is. You find him? Flip him over. He's upside down. There you go. Yeah.
Whoa!
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Let him,
Whoa!
let it snow.
Whoa!
Shake yours up a little more. And voila, you have a snow globe. Look what we made.
Look what we made! Look what we made!
If you and your kids let it snow, let us know how it goes. The Show Me How community would love to hear how it went. Happy holidays!